For years, these homeowners enjoyed their pool, but it felt lacking, not quite the lively connection with nature they yearned for, and as time went on, the pool area lost its appeal. They dreamed of something more: moving water, playful moments with their dogs, a deeper sense of peace. Then a visit to modern design Aquascaping's Oasis changed everything. Inspired by the beautiful displays and natural features, they began envisioning a transformation, a space that truly brought nature into their backyard. They reached out to Modern Design for help. After a few months of designing and dreaming, they agreed to move forward with a transformational design, a complete backyard makeover that would make their outdoor living dreams come true. And together with the Adams family, they crafted an aquatic paradise. Now, with a stunning water feature that flows into their outdoor kitchen and living area, their space has come alive. Surrounded by water, fish, and wildlife, they've redefined their outdoor experience, creating a vibrant, connected ecosystem that's become the heart of their home.